Hello, just one more quick thing on this card kit. It is called the Precious Parcel Card Kit, and this is free with a $50 purchase. You can order this or select this as your free gift out of the Sale-a-bration's catalog. It includes 8 cards, so 4 of each card, and they're adorable. You just undo the tape, flip it up. You can write on that. You put that in there. You can write on that, and you put it in there. But let me show you. I haven't played with it too much, but I just wanted to make one. So it comes with your twine, with baker's twine, and of course, like the 8 cards. Then you get like 8 of these little stamps with the number 5. I wish they were 5 cents, but yeah, they won't get anywhere for 5 cents nowadays, huh? So this is the actual card made. And the envelopes are gorgeous. They got the inside is decorated, and it looks like a little airmail envelope. If you remember those airmail envelopes, when I first came to America, that's what we would send back and forth to me and my mum. When she was in England and I was over here. Anyway, so there's the envelope. And then all this is this is down, and it's got the 2 strips of tape on it, and you flip it up. Let me show you that. Like this, right? So that is the inside here. And this, you just take your tape off, flip it up like that. And this little piece flicks into that little area there, and you fold that over. So it makes like a little card, and you put your little sentiment card in there, which I don't have available right here. Okay, either one, I guess it doesn't matter. So you could put that one in there if you wanted to, or the other one. So that was the way that it said to make it. Oh, and you got the little corners. You can put little corner things on, and you tie the string on it too. So I thought, and you have little paper clips. Oh my goodness, where is that stuff? Right here. Right. You have the little sheet of stamps. That was the one I cut up. And then you have your little corner pieces and your little paper clips. So for just little embellishments, and your string. Right. And then your 8 cards, 8 envelopes. You have all your sayings. If you speak different languages or know people in foreign lands, then you might be able to read these. I can't read them. I think that's French. Jet envoy, whatever. So I'm making a mockery of it. And this one is maybe German or German. I don't know. There's all different languages here. So you've got your English as well. So it's good if you know somebody in another land and you want to send them a card. This is free. Yay! So anyways, let me show you what else I made. So anyway, I got the idea from it folding up. And I made just like a little gift card holder. So it fits in the envelope just like a normal card would. So instead of, and I cut this card, I cut the flower part off, and I just glued it on here for decoration, and you can write there. And instead of taping it all the way, I put a piece of tape across above the post. I put a piece of double-sided tape. Let me show you. I'll do that right now. Here's some here. I just stuck a piece here. Doesn't even have to be the whole way. Reach for a bone folder, smooth that down. Maybe. Yeah. There we go. Take these ones off. And then you just fold that up. Poke that through. And take that little thing out. Oh, I forgot to tie it, but that's alright. Oh, here's another gift card. And then just take your gift card and put it in. It won't go that way. It's not long enough. Well, you could put it part way, but I would just put it that way, so they'll see it when they open the card. Or you could literally put it on the inside too. You could cut this and just fold it up part way and put it on the inside. Yay! Right, so there's 2. I haven't finished off, but I just wanted to show you these. So that is 8 cards or gift card holders or whatever you would like to make with them, and they're adorable. I love them. I love the envelopes. I love the little cards. So that is it for the Precious Parcel card kit, free in the Sale-a-brations, which comes out January 3rd, and it's good through March 31st. So if you purchase anything from Stampin' Up! Catalogs for $50, you can get this kit for free. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. I am going to hope you subscribe below to get some more introductions to some more new items that are coming out soon. And click subscribe. It will notify you when I upload new videos. Check out my blog for parts, products that you might need, supplies to make products, because I am going to be making things with all of these things I'm sharing. I think this is the 4th or 5th item I've shared out of the new catalog. I think it's the 5th. So shortly I will start uploading projects and supply lists. So go to my blog for measurements and anything you might need, and check out all my other stuff there. Click subscribe there as well for email notifications as to when I upload new content, and if there's a sale or if I want to send you a newsletter, I can. If you'd like a catalog, please let me know and I'll get you out the new occasions catalog as soon as I can. If you need a demonstrator, I'd appreciate it if you would choose me, and I will do my best to earn your business and be a good creative coach. I would love to help you be creative. Thanks for watching, and you all have a great evening. Good night.